Hello guys, my name is Ravi Soni and he is Dipesh Jain. So we are going to discuss today about demonetization, which is currently very hot topic in India. So people are having many views on demonetization, whether it is good, bad, or it is screwing India. It is taking India to a lower level to backward. So we are going to have a detailed discussion on that. So let's start with what is demonetization. Demonetization basically when you remove some money tender from the system. So as in India, recently as you know, Modi government has removed 500 rupees and 1000 rupees notes from the system. They have completely removed it, so you cannot purchase any goods from these notes. Now let's have the discussion on topic whether it is good or bad. So my personal view is demonetization is good. Why? Because people who have stashed money, which is illegal, which is corrupt money, or which is not or the money which for which they did not pay tax, this money will be exposed to the system, which will this money will be used in the system in a proper way. So they will have to go to the bank and deposit those money and pay taxes on that. So if suppose I'll give you an example, if there is shopkeeper who has earned around 10 crores of rupees in last 10 years, and it is his earned money, but he did not pay tax for that, then this he has to go to bank, and deposit this 10 crore rupee, and then pay tax of around 50% on that money, and he can just he can just take back 5 crore rupees, which he's supposed to take back because he did not pay tax at all. So now as per my view, demonetization is good and it will benefit Indian economy in long term. Now Dipesh, what do you think? What is your view on demonetization?
Actually, I want to say you before this. You heard about demonetization?
Hmm. I did not hear about it before that.
Same thing. I
Uh-huh.
didn't heard about this thing.
Okay.
So I'm totally not totally against that demonetization, but in India right now it's necessary to give the education about tax to people first.
That is true.
If after that you do that thing, is that gonna be successful?
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm saying, if you see the data in India, how many people are living in villages?
Mm-hmm.
The scenario, if you see that 70% Indian population are living in rural areas.
Okay.
In 30%
In urban area.
urban.
Huh.
So in rural, if I'm talking about myself, my village, I'm from village.
Mm-hmm.
In that village there is 100 shops.
Mm-hmm.
In 100 there are only 5 to 6 people are paying tax,
Mm-hmm.
because of other people are don't aware about the tax system, what is exactly tax. They don't know about this system. So first you need to educate the people about tax.
Mhm.
Ki what is, if you are paying the tax, so what is benefit of the tax.
Mm-hmm.
So the demonetization is not successful in India.
So what I think, as per your views, people don't know about tax, how to pay tax, and what is the limit. And suppose if they really want to pay tax, they don't know how. What is the procedure?
Yeah. What is the
So
procedure?
the common people in India who are living in rural area, they
Yeah.
don't know how to pay tax. It's so
Even
complicated.
though the tax is like so far.
Uh-huh.
People don't know about the banking system.
Exactly. They don't know how to create account, because
Yeah,
people
yeah,
will take so much
yeah,
time in creating
yeah.
account, depositing money, and what I've heard is people in villages, they are scared of depositing their money into bank, because in in earlier in India, the banking people used to be very corrupt.
Correct.
So whenever they're going to deposit any money in bank, they will ask for money. They will ask for commission. So and they don't have any faith in the banking system. So basically you will have to create faith in people about
No,
banking system.
You
Educate them about tax,
yeah.
and then you tell them if you are earning more than this much, then you will have to pay tax.
Yeah, and you
Right?
need to show them the benefit of giving tax.
Yeah, I know.
Because if in any country, if people are paying the tax for their development,
Haha.
they choose government, and government is work for them.
Haha.
So if you are paying them, so it's you are paying for yourself. So first you need to educate people about this thing. Then if you are doing this kind of thing, so it might be helpful. But
Okay.
in India, it's not successful.
But you know, when you say educating people, so what do you think? How do you educate those people? Because they are illiterate. Sometimes they are illiterate people. They don't know how to even operate a smartphone. How to even go to bank and fill the forms. Some people can't even write their names. So how you are proposing? How you make them educate about it? Because you know it is, the world is going in fast rate. So you cannot afford to have those people who cannot even write their names on check, or they cannot sign, or they cannot use gadgets, which is very commonly used. So, and this creates problem. This is problem for them.
No.
Huh.
It's not them, yeah. If if we are talking about the downstream in a village, because of India is a villages country.
Okay.
So the government take this responsibility and running a camp.
Mm-hmm.
They can do that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Go to every village and educate the people
Uh-huh.
about this thing. It's for your beneficial.
Okay.
If you are doing this thing, you're gonna get the benefit.
So
no
so,
one else.
So what I think in our discussion, the government should have done something a year back. A year back, they should have gone to each and every villages, educated people. They should have educated people on how to open bank accounts,
account,
how to use bank accounts, how to withdraw money
how
on
to
from cash,
deposit.
how to deposit, how to use net banking, how to
Yeah.
use mobile banking, how to use
Yeah,
SMS banking,
no.
how to use all the banking system and tax. Especially mainly tax, how they can pay tax easily
Yeah,
without
yeah.
any hassles.
Hmm.
They should have taught people.
Yeah,
That is where it is missed. The opportunity is missed. So the affected area is rural area, but in urban area, it is it successful? What do you think about urban area? Is it good for urban area?
But now in current scenario, I'm seeing in news channel and everywhere, there is some correct bank managers. They they take benefit of this thing and separate the money, or
They take commission, right?
they
On
commission,
everything.
yeah,
I know.
from people.
Huh.
So for that reason, is not successful in urban area as well.
So what I think is successful, because people there is no protest you can see on street. People are happy because they know the rich people who used to be very arrogant to people, they are going to go down. They are going to realize that
no.
you will have to pay.
You are very wrong about this thing. Rich
Yeah.
people, they there is one line, clever find their way.
Mhm.
So they are rich and they find their way.
They can find the way, but how many of them can find way, and how many
Every-
ways
if
how
I'm
many
talking
ways are
about,
exposed?
if I'm talking about my friends, they did the thing.
Hmm. But
My
how many?
relatives did that thing. They have lots of money with them and they change it without any commission.
I know, but how many ways are there? There are less ways in less
no,
time.
No, in India there is, India is also famous for a jugaad country. So in India, if I'm in Asia, you can see Asians are like jugadu people. So you can't.
So what I think, there used to be 100 ways before demonetization. After demonetization, government has reduced those ways to around 10. This is what I believe in, and because of that reason, not every person is going to.
Now situation, I'm not agree with you, because it's this demonetization totally failing now.
I don't say it is fail. It has hassles.
You can see,
and it is purification of the system. What I see is, and this is needed every 10 years. You will have to purify the system with taking all the money from the system and then putting it back to the system. And during purification time, you may suffer. And this has
people
longer
are suffering, man.
But they will have
Villages are
what I
suffering.
think, this process has to happen every 5 to 10 years, and then they will have to suffer in that period. This will make economy better. This will
I
make
don't think so.
economy more transparent, less corruption, and I see more good things happening in future because of demonetization. And I'm completely with the government on demonetization. They should have done something better for poor people, for uneducated people, for people in rural area.
Yeah, obviously.
And also tax education is very very necessary, which government has failed to do, provide. So I think they should have done on that part. Otherwise the thing is good. So anything else you want to add, Dipesh?
I want to say, you guys, please pay tax on time and educate other people how to pay your tax, so it's benefit for you and our country.
Yeah.
Bye. Good night,
Thanks a lot.
guys.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Bye.
for watching. Bye.
Thank you.